Guys, I'm in Costco. What we looking for? We're looking for. Tell me, man. What you got there? Energy drink. Nah. Trying to find a good one, but I guess they're all the same. Hello people, Joe here. Today is January 14th, 2024. I wake up this morning feeling good and I come outside. I'm outside there trying to do some cleaning up, but I don't know. My wife told me I'm the junkiest person she ever come across. Because if you look out here, I need to clean up my work area. I got to clean up my area that I'm doing my little hobbies, my little stuff that I do. When I was making some coasters the other day, but these are out of, I'll show you some of the stuff. These are not good. But I made them from some citrus wood that my daughter friend, they have an orchard farm. We go and get the wood when they cut them up and burn them in the fireplace, and so I just take some of the pieces and make a little arts and craft out of it. It's like some of these pieces here, like this right here. I cut that up and make a mug, or maybe cut some coasters, and I'll show you what I was doing. See, I gotta clean up all this mess. I don't know where to start, but I got to, because this place was clean one time and I come out here and messed them up. If you could see, I take some of the pieces right here and I cut them up. Oh, whatever. I was making a cup and I messed it up. See, I was cutting out, see, I messed up the piece. So I gotta scrap this, and I'll show you guys. Oh, this is my mango tree I planted from seed. So I'm nourishing up and taking care of it like a baby and see if I could get it grow. But you know, in California it's hard, especially like how you live out in the desert. We live out in the desert, so it's hard for us, for stuff like that to grow, because it's not a tropical plant. I mean, it's a tropical plant, but in California in the desert, it's hard for tropical plants to grow. And look, I got to clear off my working table. I don't know where to start, but I got to get started because I want to make a foldable chair so I could take around and sit where I want to sit. And I'll show you guys one of the cup that I made. See, this is, I got it as a drying. This is this make from from the one of the limb of the tree. So I'm drying it, now I'm going to stain it. And this is for Dean's grandmother, the owner of the orchard. So I make this for her, but she don't know yet, and I'm going to give it to her sometime. But I gotta make it dry because it's still green, and I don't want to I want to dry a little bit more. So I've got it in the sun for 2 days. Maybe today I'll stain it. Well, not stain, because I don't want it to change the color. I'm just going to put clear on it. So that's what I'm going to do. Man, it's coming. I pulled my pants up before. That's it. Now when I chop the wood, the minute I chop the wood, my pants keep coming out. You guys don't want to see that, right? All right, let's go again. Oops, it's coming. Woo, let's go again. One more time. Got it. Got it. I gotta split this up for later. In fact, I gotta use some right now. 50 degrees in the house. I'll say 55. Outside, about 60. 65. But you get a little bit in the next hour. Should be all right. Over here, I was sitting here this morning playing my guitar. practicing my song. One day I'm gonna play a song for you guys that I'm writing, but I can't play it because if I play it, they might steal my song, so I got to copyright it first and all that stuff. But it's a good song. It's a barroom song. You guys might like it. People ask me all the time, how come you like to sing song about barroom and liquor and all that stuff and you don't drink? I just like it, that's all. Look, I finally cleared the mess. It was a task, but I did it. Man, I can see why my wife, she like to organize all the time, because, man, I can't cope with this. See, so, but see, it finish, and look, I even make a collapsible chair, a little chair that I could take anywhere with me, and, you know, I will sit on it. Let's see if it's work. Let's see if it can work. Let's see. Look, see. I was looking at YouTube the other day, a couple days ago, when I saw this guy making this chair. It's still not exactly the way I want it, but it's the first one, so, but it works. So let's take it back down. Have you guys priced toasters lately? Walmart, Costco, Amazon, even Temu. The prices are ridiculous these days. The problem with this one side lock to toast, see, it stay down, that means it's gonna toast. And you could start to get, so let's pop this side up. Then on this side, it's not locking down. But if you hold it down, it works. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get in here and see why it's not working. So I'm gonna tear it apart and we're gonna see what happened. By the time I finish, it either work or throw it in the trash.
So Joe, I've been trying to edit this video for the past couple of weeks for you, and I have it pretty much done. Okay. It started where you were at Costco, but you touched something on your camera without knowing, and it taped with a funny filter, like a fisheye type filter where it's domed. Right? I think that's what it's called. I don't know how to use Joe's GoPro, so I don't know how to fix it. You know what? It even taped in slow motion. I had to speed it up in the editing for it to be normal speed.
I guess what I got to do, go on YouTube and try to figure out why the camera is doing that and how to fix it.
You should really spend some time not just figuring how to fix that, but figuring how to use that camera.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't use it because it's his GoPro.
What I do, I just put it on and tape, and that's it. And I don't know too much about it, so I got to get to know my camera.
I have enough to learn my cameras. I can't be learning Joe's. Anyways, it's ending where you told him you were going to fix the toaster. And that's why I didn't like finish it up and post it for you, because you didn't fix the toaster. So I think part of it is Joe got busy, but a major part of it is Joe don't know how to fix the toaster. So I spent some time a couple nights ago looking at some videos on YouTube with people showing you how to fix it if it has that problem. And I've showed you the videos, but you didn't look at them. That's the problem that I have with Joe. Like, I remember when cousin Crystal said...
Sometimes I don't really have to look at them. I just go in there. If I just put the toaster apart, then you look and see exactly what the problem is.
That's exactly what he's going to do. He's not going to look at no video. And I know I'm going to be without a toaster.
Well, it's good to look at it, but at the same time, you know exactly more or less what the problem is. So go to the...
Joe, I want to tell you something different. Cousin Crystal says she loves to watch your videos. Who? My cousin Crystal? Crystal.
Okay.
You know who Crystal is? Yeah. Crystal, he act like he don't know who the hell you is.
Go ahead.
I don't think he heard me. Crystal says she loved to watch your videos because you're always gossiping about me. Like if I'm not the one editing the videos and I see what you say. That's the joke though. That's the joke. I don't care.
She edits folks, but I can't edit. But I always tell you guys I gotta learn to do my own thing.
That I have no doubt you would be able to learn.
Because when she get mad with me, she don't want to do it.
No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't get mad at him like that. I have no doubt that you would be able to learn to edit.
I could do it. It's just that I got to spend
You
some
were the
time.
one that started us off
Yeah,
in
I'm the
computers
one
and
that started
editing
on with computer and different things, but
in 1995.
then the kids that come along and they take over, Daddy, I do it, blah, blah, blah. So I leave them alone and I don't even do it no more.
So tell your viewers what, you're going to fix the toaster in the next video?
Folks, I'm going to fix the toaster in the next video. And when you see the next video, I see this toaster burning. You're going to be burning more better than how you used to burn.
It might be catching on fire burning. You wrap up your show, baby.
Folks, thank you guys again for subscribing, share, like, and all that good thing. And remember guys, I love you guys. Bye-bye.
Oh, look at your thing behind you. I always put an Easter egg on the counter behind us. Look, show it off.
This is my
This
is my fruit ball.
Uh-huh.
Look, I make this to put my fruit in. If anybody want to buy me one, just holler at me.
No, go to the website. It's
Yeah, go to the
$100
website.
plus the shipping.
Okay.
And the other one that we have is kind of big.
That one is big,
Mm-hmm.
but I can't make them too big because then you can't
Yeah,
ship them.
we're gonna lose on that shipping on that one. I already know that.
I can't ship them if they're too big. That's why I got to make them one size that can fit in the. What's the name of that?
The medium priority flat rate
Right,
box.
the medium flat
Okay.
rate priority
I'm
box.
moving this out because I'm setting up the set for my show.